welcome to John's Model Making. Today I'm carrying on with S for Sugar. There we go, stage 124. Excellent. Now, we've done a lot of this stage already. There was the second Bombay that needed to be done, but I did that earlier. So basically all we have to do in this is the rear turret. But I'm also going to be finishing off the second wing. I've got some stringers to attach on the top as well as underneath. We've got a couple of strips of aluminium. There we go. Pop on the top as well as the bottom. That one's been riveted, so that can be popped into place. This is for the underneath, and then I could put the ailerons in place. Also the rear tail. Got the flaps. Sorry, the fins, the elevators. Yep, the tail wings. They need painting up, and also adding. The fins need adding with the rudders on, and then I've got to glue them and then set them into place. They're on this side of the aircraft. Okay, you can see that all right. Here's one where one of the tail wings go, just in here. Now this one I'm going to have to leave loose, basically. Not too loose, obviously, I don't want it falling off, because that panel and this panel here aren't going to be added. But if I do add them, I've got to put magnets on them, and then I need to take them off. But that tail wing will get in the way. So anyway, let's have a look at the instructions and then we'll get on with the build. The Bombay doors are completed by adding aluminium panels. The doors are then painted and fitted to the model. The tailgun turret is assembled and the pilot's canopy from issue 123 is painted. Well, I've already done the canopy, I've already done the Bombay doors. So we've only got really the rear gun turret to complete with this, complete this stage. But like I said, I'll pop on the ailerons, I'll put on the tail wings, and then we'll have a look at what else needs to be done. There is some small bits of panelling that needs to be added as well, which you'll also see. And then I can paint the second wing, I'll put the camouflage on the second wing, and that'll be it. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Well, there we go, folks. That is stage 124. One more stage to go. It's just bits and bobs of detail either and everywhere. Need the propellers on it, but you can see the rear gun turret there, and there's the middle turret as well. And here we have the front turret. Excellent. All the paintwork's gone exceptionally well. I have got the panels for here, along here. That is one of them. They just need magnets on, and then I can remove them if I so wish. And up front, you can see that mid turret gun there. That is looking pretty cool. It does come out. There we go. Excellent stuff. And we do have a few removable panels. This one, cockpit canopy, that comes off. This, and this one, they've all been sprayed. There's the dinghy. And there, of course. There are some panels underneath which do come out, but I won't be bothering with them, just leave them as they are. And then we've got the ailerons. There we go. I've got that one set for down, and on this wing that is set for up. There we go. It does move, but I'm trying to keep it lodged in that position. The flaps work as well underneath, but I just need to take some masking tape off here and pop the propellers on. This is the only one. This nacelle has been painted at the front. All the rest are clear, as you can see. Even though they are clear, you can still see the glue on it, which is a shame really, but there's not a great lot you can do to avoid any of that. It's canopy glue for you, and it does come off quite easy. All you have to do is wet it and it'll come apart, no problem. There we go. That is exposed. There is our pilots. We do have a front turret guy, crew member in here as well. This comes off as well as, there we go, take that off, there we go, and there is our crew member. Guns won't move now because he's lodged them in place. There's no movement there, but you can see it looks pretty cool. There is another crew member back here. Is in the actual medical bay. There we go. There he is. There he is, sat on that bench. Closer shot. I couldn't fit him anywhere else, so I just popped him on that bench. He's happy enough. And as you can see, tail wings are in place. They look pretty good. Excellent. I did have a problem with one of them getting in position, because on this side here I need to put a panel in, but I need some room to get it in and out. But I have managed to glue that in place, so yeah, I have managed to make a little gap for the panel. I don't know whether I'll fill that gap in them so far, but yeah, it looks alright. There's the rear gun turret. I couldn't get another crew member in there. It was impossible. Even though this one that's on the medical bench, he came in two halves, he won't fit in the back either. So that's why that is vacant. Same with the mid turret as well. I couldn't get one on this one either. Well, there we go, folks. There she is, the little beauty. She's looking fantastic. She's going on a shelf up here where the Spitfire is. That's a 132 scale Spitfire as well. There we go, reset that now. But yeah, stage 125. Just lots of fiddly little bits. Details for the tailplane and for the canopy. You know, the little jets, water jets. I've got to go on here. And we've also got Tall Boy. I've got to put him together and spray him as well. I think I might actually fix him underneath into the bomb bay as well, Plus, I've got all the decals to fit and the propellers. The propellers have been spray painted black, but I still need to do the tips yellow as yet. Yeah, so it's just a lot of fiddly stuff. So one more video and then that is complete. But she's looking absolutely superb. Now we'll pick her up and show you how big she is. Even though she's delicate. There she goes. So, that's better. Get her in shot. There's that rear gun turret, tail planes. You can see the loose panels there at the front. Yeah. But she's got a nice stand here as well, mirrored stand. So she'll look great. She's just a little bit delicate though. Not like the die-cast versions today. They're not as delicate as this. I have actually clobbered it once or twice, by accident obviously, and one or two parts have fallen out, and it took me a while to get them back, I tell you. And they are all back in place. I have got some lighting for it as well, which I need to fish all the way along the fuselage. I'll experiment with that first, see, make sure it's worth doing. So obviously I'll have to get it in place and then test it. But yeah, but she's looking brilliant, absolutely brilliant. This is the hardest model I've ever built, to be honest. It really is. It isn't fun sometimes with the aluminium. The wooden framing as well can be challenging, is the best word I can put to it. Plastic models are a lot easier. And die-cast are certainly easier. But yeah, she's looking absolutely brilliant. She'll look fantastic up there. Yeah, I love it to bits. Anyway, there we go. So that's stage 124. So give us a big thumbs up if you did like that, and I'll see you for the last one. It should be before Christmas, hopefully. But anyway, thanks again for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.